Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 22, which is weight and capacity. Okay, so in this, we have learned the units of weight, not only grams, milligrams, and kgs. You also have centigrams, decigrams, decagrams, isn't it, children? All those you have learned, and also you have learned how to convert them from one unit to other unit. Yes, and also we have learned how to add and subtract the weight when they are given in different units like kgs and grams, milligrams and centigrams. How we need to distinguish and how do we need to add and subtract, we have learned about the weight, isn't it, children? Now in the second next topic, we are going to learn about the capacity. Okay, so capacity is nothing but the amount a container can hold. Okay, that is your capacity. Okay, so in this we will learn how to convert the units from milligrams, milliliters to liters, and we also solve the story problems. Okay, so first convert. So let's see the first one. So 5.890 liters into milliliters. So after decimal, we always have to read each digit. No, children, we have learned when we are solving the decimals. Yes, so the question is 5.890 liters you have to convert into milliliters. And how can you convert? By multiplying with 1000, isn't it? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Yes, so with that we need to multiply with 1000 and then you will get the answer. Here you have zeros. Okay, whenever you have zeros and when we are multiplying with zeros, the decimal moves towards the right by one digit, isn't it? There are three zeros, that means it moves three places. 1, 2, 3. Yes, so it becomes 5890 milliliters. Or if you are unable to do using the decimals concept, you can go with the actual multiplication of the decimals, children. Okay, so which we have learned in the decimals block. Yes, so that becomes 5890 milliliters. That means 5.890 liters is equal to 5800 milliliters. This is converting liters into milliliters. Now let's see how do we convert from milliliters to liters. 600 ml into liters. We have to convert the 600 ml into liters. How? By dividing with 1000. When we are converting liters to milliliters, we need to multiply. When we are converting milliliters into liters, smaller to bigger, then you need to divide with same 1000. Okay, so there is zero in one's place in both numerator and denominator, that is the dividend and divisor, so you can directly cancel like this. One more zero you have, so what is left out? 6 divided by 10. Okay, now you need to place how many digits? 10 means number of zeros, 10. That means you have to place the place the decimal after one digit, which is 6. That becomes 0.6. Because here we don't have only 6, we have, if you have any other number, for example 1 is there, it would have become 1.6. As here you don't have any digit, you will write 0.6. So finally, what you will write, therefore 600 milliliters is equal to 0.6 liters. Okay, children. So in this way, you have two more to convert. In this fourth question, children, solve it in your classwork. I have given in your daily schedule. You can either copy it down or try to solve it by your own. Okay. Coming to your story problems. A jar holds 800 milliliters of water. Can you pour 3 such jars of water in a bottle that can hold 2.5 liters? Okay, so there is a jar which is 800 ml and there is a bottle which is 2.5 liters. Okay, now he is asking us whether this jar which holds 800 milliliters, can we put 3 times the jar water into the bottle? 3 times, not once. 800 ml, it will be easily fit, isn't it, children? But he's telling us whether we can pour 3 jars of that size. of that capacity. Okay, so here in the question, now if you see, the jar is in milliliters, the bottle is in liters. Okay, first let's convert this liters, the bottle of the capacity, liters to milliliters. So the capacity of the bottle is 2.5 liters. Now if we have to convert into milliliters, only we need to multiply with 1000, isn't it? So 2.5 into 1000. So 2.5 into 1000. So here you have zeros. For 1 0, the decimal will move towards right side by 1 digit. That becomes 25 into 100. Again, if you add multiply with 100, again two zeros will be added. That means 2500 milliliters, isn't it? This is the capacity of the bottle. Now let's see what is the capacity of the jar when it is 3 times. Okay, which will be, the capacity of the bottle will be 2500 milliliters. Now capacity of the jar is 800 ml. Now what is the capacity of the jar if it is 3 times? That is capacity of the jar into 3, 800 into 3. So here you can directly multiply, children. Here 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 eights are 24. You can directly do like this, or you can do with the column method. Okay, so you will get 2400 milliliters. Okay, now capacity of the bottle is 2500. That means the capacity of the bottle is more than the capacity of 3 jars, isn't it? That means we can easily say that the bottle can hold the capacity of 3 jars, isn't it? Therefore you will write yes, we can pour 3 such jars of water into the bottle that hold 2.5 liters. Okay, in this way you need to solve the problems, children. There are few more in your daily schedule. Please copy it down in your classwork. Okay, coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. You have 2 pages. Volume book 3, page number 32, S3, conversion of units. That is liters to milliliters, milliliters to liters. And S4, page number 33, S4, capacity, story problems, as we have done earlier. A jar holds 800 ml, isn't it, children? In that way, there will be story problems. Solve with children. Okay. So with this, we have completed with our block, children. So in the next class, I'll meet you with the new block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.